Hello my friends, today I want to share with you my new tool made by Knipex. This is the plier wrench, 180mm one, pretty universal tool to work with the several applications. Here you can see all the part numbers and specifications. Now I will open this box and show you the tool itself. Let's start. First I want to talk to you about the handles. I choose this tool with such type of handles. These are red rubber handles with Knipex writings, part number and made in Germany. Also in my garage I have all the possible handle types of the Knipex tools, and I decided to try this red one. Here you can see their top end handle style, also their mid end handle style, and this is also mid-end handle style on this plier wrench, and as I already mentioned, I decided to pick it. So this tool is 180mm long. This is the newer version, and it has same type handles as this wildly US-made adjustable plier. Here I like this type of handles. It is very easy to clean, and this is the newly developed style of the plier wrench. Here you can see all the machining points that were updated on this wrench. Also it has the markings which measures the diameters of the opening jaws, and made in Germany engraved logo. If we compare here it to the regular adjustable wrench, I think that Knipex wins because it is machined more elegant. Also it is narrower. The adjustable wrench is thicker, and I think the bite force which Knipex provide is simply the best out there. Here you can see the main aspect how this plier wrench works. You only need to move this shaft, and then the jaws are movable up and down. Also it was lubed or oiled from the factory, and I like it. Here also are the engraves, and to say the truth, this plier wrench can hold the bolt with maximum diameter 40mm, and you can adjust it with the famous Knipex push button, which takes seconds from you, versus to rotate the knob on the adjustable wrench, which is not very good for me. I don't like those knobs, especially if you have oily hands. So guys, here is how it works and how the jaws move. It is brand new, and it is a little rough, but I think during the work progress it will getting good and better. Here is how it grabs the bolt, and I think that it is pretty unique tool. 180mm plier which can hold bolts up to 40mm. It can be right decision to replace a dozen of the combination wrenches, and it is a good tool to hold in the car. It takes very little place, and the grab force it provides is simply very good. Now I am trying to adjust it to grab this bolt with built-in washer, and here you can see it bites deadly and zero chance to slip. Also, the jaws are very elegant on this plier, and you will not damage any fastener you will work with. This is fuel pipe from W211E500, and here you can see that this wrench can be easily used to disassemble this application and remove it from your car. I was hesitating to buy this wrench because it is not cheap. I paid 40 euros for it, but today I think that it is a very good addition to my Knipex collection. I'm Knipex guy, and if I need any plier I go and buy Knipex or Orbis wheel. These are my go-to German-made plier manufacturers. This is not, guys, a promotional video. I bought it for myself and I like it and I recommend it to everyone. There are several lengths available, but I think that 180 millimeter is very good for a hobby mechanic. Also, there are bigger and smaller versions. You can check on their official website. And also, guys, here I want to show you the second addition to my tools. This is eTorque sockets made by Hazet or Hazet 5850 series, and this is E12, but this is not standard E12. The thing makes it special is that it is quarter-inch drive and it can be attached directly on the quarter-inch ratchet. I have had situation when I was working on my friend's BMW when I need E12 socket and quarter-inch applications. Dozen of the socket sets include E12 with only 3/8 drive, and to have in your garage E12 on quarter-inch drive is very good if you work on the German cars. If we compare it to this no-name regular E10 quarter-inch socket, here you can see the differences. Hazet is machined different and Hazet is machined better, and it is not cheap. Also, I gave about 12 euros for this little guy. So my friends, this was a little video. If you like it, please subscribe. Any comments are acceptable for me. Thank you for watching and goodbye.